it is.
The interchange. KD for three. He made it!
And he's fouled.
Oh, they're going to say the foul's before the shot.
It's impossible. You got to be crazy.
Mike Callahan is going to talk to Marat Kogan on this. He had not begun the upward shooting motion.
I don't think he was fouled until he was up in the air.
Oh,
what a shot.
Goodness. They didn't foul on the catch. He had not begun the upward shooting motion before there was contact. That is a break. Now 4 seconds left. You need to do it again. Curry for three. He made it! They didn't foul! And they'll go to double overtime!
Oh, Curry is really.
There's 5/10 left.
He is pointing to Marat Kogan, saying, see, we told you so.
Time. Remember, you can secure an attempt to shot here. Fowler's looking for Big Cat at the rim. You got a foul on Durant.
You got to be kidding me.
Leon Wood's going to decide the game on a foul on Durant on a pass that was 10 feet over Karl Anthony Towns' head.
It was uncatchable.
Instead of letting these teams play 5 more minutes, you're going to decide the game on this call. Wow.
He cuts down. Durant held it. But that ball was long gone. A little bit of a hold there.
Wow. Couple that with the Durant non-3. That's an amazing way to end the game.
No timeouts left. Can't advance it.
Makes one and it's over. And there it is. We're not going to have double overtime. Warriors are out of timeouts.
Hate to lose that way, don't you?
You had a phenomenal game. You had 5 more minutes for the players to decide the game. You don't make that call. You just don't.
You missed it on purpose. Well, it almost went in.
So Minnesota wins it. 131-130.